everyone, welcome to the Data Analysis with Python training program. Today we are going to start with the first module, that is Introduction to Data Analysis. In the first lecture, we are going to study about introduction. First of all, we will study what is data analysis. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusion and supporting decision making. We go for data analysis on a large data to achieve a particular goal. Like if we are making a data analysis on a set of data where we have customer details, so that we can know that what a customer like to purchase in their daily life, so that we have a stock of those materials. So this is the particular goal and there are so many conditions for data analysis. We will discuss it later. Now I am going to discuss why to learn data analysis. There are 10 main reasons to learn data analysis. The first one is data analytics is now a priority for top organizations. Means top MNCs are now offering the position for data analysis. Increasing job opportunities, increasing pay for data analytics professionals. Big data analytics is everywhere. Now every company is heading towards data analysis. So big data analytics is everywhere. You will have various job titles from which to choose. Means you have a lot of options available for your job positions like senior data analyst, data scientist, data analyst or something like that. You will be having a lot of options. You will be at the core of decision making in the company. Means you are going to be in the main team of the company which makes the decision for the development of company. Adoption rate of big data analytics is high. In private firms, job opportunities are given and on the basis of contracts. So adoption rate of big data analytics is very high. Data analytics is taking over faster than expected. It represents perfect freelancing opportunities and you can also develop new revenue streams. So these are the 10 main reasons to learn data analysis. I hope you have understood all the reasons and these are a big reason to learn. Now I am going to discuss what are the scopes of data analysis. Better career prospects, better salary options, future trends are the main scopes of data analysis in future. Better career prospects. It has been estimated that data is expected to grow up to 50 times by the end of 2020. Companies have to stay updated with the requirements of huge volumes of data so that they don't become obsolete. Therefore, experts who are well versed in advanced data analytics to adjust their business model and stay ahead of the competition. Means a lot of new job position as data analyst is going to be available in the upcoming 2 or 3 years. The scope of data analytics in India includes companies in policing, banking, healthcare, fraud detection, e-commerce, energy, telecommunication and risk management. Now these are also increasing in government posts. So there are a lot of careers available in the data analysis. So choosing data analyst as a career is not a bad option. Here is the list of companies offering job post for data analyst. All these companies are MNCs and there are a lot of other companies who are also offering the position for data analyst. These major companies are JP Morgan Chase and Co, Accenture, Microsoft, Flipkart, Google, Amazon, Adobe, Flipkart. All these companies has offered data analyst job post in the previous 3 or 4 years. Means you have a lot of options available for these companies also. Now I am going to discuss about the better salary options. The average salary for a data analyst in India is about 10 lakh per annum. Your salary will increase with your work experience. Data analysts with more than 5 years of experience often earn up to 15 lakhs per annum. Senior data analysts with experience of 10 years and more get 20 lakhs per annum as their average salary. Now I will discuss the future trends of data analysis. Analytics will play an important role in data security. The Internet of Things will continue to grow rapidly. Analytics tool and methods for dealing with large amount of structured and unstructured data generated by IoT will continue to gain importance. Companies will voice their need of routinely monetizing their own data for financial gain. Growth of cognitive analytics, relevance of open source solution will regain momentum, boost in demand for data scientists, a hunt for people who can balance quantitative analysis skill with an ability to tell the story of their data in compelling visual ways. Means they can plot the graphs of the data by analyzing the data, and they also hunt for the people who can convert their data into audio video visuals, like converting all the data into graphs and all. Companies would become overcritical and cautious about data accuracy. Means in future data analysis is going to rule the world. Now I am going to discuss the last thing, that is what are the steps involved in data analysis. Here are the 7 major steps involved in data analysis. The first step is data requirements. The raw input for data analysis is data. So the first thing which we will need is data. So data requirement is the first process. Then data collection. We may collect the data from anywhere like social media platform or from the survey or from a data center. So there may be any process for data collection. Then we go for data processing, means we go for the study on the data, and then we go for data cleaning, means we remove the unwanted data from the data set. Then we go for exploratory data analysis, means we go for the analysis on the data which we have collected. And then we make the data product, means we design an application or a web application so that a user can put input and get the output. And in the last, communication, means we provide all these things to the public. Now it's time to end the lecture. So thank you. See you all in the next lecture.